Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Amber's Language, Music and Play. So this is the background to my song, Cinq, petits, canards, 5 little ducks. So the French for duck is canard, but if it's a duckling you normally say canardon, but in this song we're calling them petits canards, little ducks, just to copy the English really. And then here we have maman, so that's 3 fingers tapping the palm of my hand twice. Maman, mummy, gan, which is mummy duck. So although canard is the French for duck, if it's a female duck we say can. Just as in English we might say hen and cockerel and duck and drake and things like that. So maman gan, and we've got les petits canards. So it's basically a counting song, 5 little ducks, or if you've got smaller children you might want to keep it to 3 little ducks. Just do 3 petits canards. So first of all then, singing the song. So although I've told you it's called Cinq, petits canards, when you sing it you don't pronounce the k at the end of cinq. It disappears when it's followed by other words. So it's cinq, so it's a bit of a nasal. Cinq petits canards. It's 5 little ducks. Aiment, like to. Aiment flotter, like to float. Aiment flotter. Sur, on la rivière. So I'm just getting 2 fingers and making a river. So cinq or cinq petits canards aiment flotter, and you can make them float if you want to as well. Flotter sur la rivière toute la journée, all day long. Toute la journée. It's sur, on la rivière, on the river, toute la journée, all day long. And then we've got maman, mummy, duck, can, maman can, les surveille. That means looks after them. Les surveille, looks after them. Bien, well. Et les petits canards font coin, coin, coin. So they go quack, quack, quack. So in French that's coin, coin, coin. So you've got a nasal there. Coin, coin, coin. In English, you get a duck disappearing. What I do is after they've said coin, 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 I'll say, oh, mais regardez, but look, il manque. So there's missing un des canards, one of the ducks. Il manque un des canards, and we'll take one away. So quite often you can sing this bouncing them up and down on a parachute. So you can say, il manque, there's missing un des canards, one of the ducks. And then you can count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've only got 4 left. Il y a 4 petits canards maintenant. So we've got 4 little ducks now. And then we basically sing the same thing over and over. 4 petits canards. When you're singing 4, you probably need to just contract it a little bit to cat, just because you've run out of time to pronounce the whole word. So you go all the way down to un petit canard. So this is how we sing this one. It's un petit canard aime flotter. So it's more or less the same up until that point. Sur la rivière toute la journée. Maman can. This is where it changes. Le surveille, looks after him rather than them. Le surveille. Bien, well. Et le petit canard, so it's only got 1. Le petit canard. And instead of font, coin, 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 which is, if there's more than 1, it's fait, coin, coin, coin. Le petit canard fait, coin, coin, coin. And then we take the last duck away, and then we've got no little ducks left. And what you can do at the end is you can pop them all back to bring them back to their mum again if you want to. Just in case you have children who are very sensitive and would be worried about the ducks being away from their mum. So I hope you enjoy having a go at that at home. Have a look at my other video, which is the song in full. Au revoir.